If you were your family's first millionaire, how would that feel? Well, it's more achievable than many might think. If you're similar to most individuals, you didn't grow up in a family with substantial wealth. Your parents likely faced stress when paying bills, and they never had any surplus money. Everything they earned disappeared as quickly as it came, and they probably used expressions like, "Money doesn't grow on trees," or "Money isn't everything." But that doesn't have to be your story. You have the opportunity to be the first prosperous and successful person in your family. You don't need to stress about covering all your bills, and you don't have to pass on negative financial mindsets to your kids. By taking concrete steps today, you can be remarkably well off in the not-so-distant future. Implementing these suggestions can set the stage for you to be the first millionaire in your family. Welcome to Wealthside, where we aim to educate people about money, personal finance, and investing. If you're keen on improving your financial future, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. When it comes to taking financial advice from random influencers online, exercise extreme caution. Be careful when evaluating advice from self-proclaimed gurus who insist that building wealth depends on buying their courses or anything else they're promoting. The reality is that falling into the trap of believing in this quick path to success is often impractical, misleading, and unrealistic. It's easy for judgment to be clouded by the allure of an easy route to riches, but it's best to maintain a clear perspective and keep this in mind. Understand that true financial success is rarely achieved through shortcuts. Instead of succumbing to the allure of instant gains, consider investing your resources and time in more reliable ventures. According to 3 out of every 4 millionaires, the secret to their success is consistent, regular investing over an extended period of time. By conducting your research and forming your own opinion about wealth building, you can discover proven methods that have created numerous millionaires in the long run. A steady, dependable approach is likely to produce more sustainable, authentic, and enduring success. Taking an early initiative and consistently putting your money into investments are crucial factors in the wealth-building game. Procrastination is like the sneaky villain in this situation, lurking around the corner and ready to sabotage your efforts to accumulate wealth. Thoughts like, "I'm young, I don't need to worry about that yet," or "I know I should, I'll get around to it," are common culprits that are jeopardizing your financial future. The magic formula: start early and maintain that investment momentum. The key move is to kick procrastination to the curb and recognize that time is your greatest ally when it comes to building wealth with minimal effort. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to work its magic through the power of compounding. Don't underestimate the potential of even the smallest amounts, whether you're dealing with a substantial sum or just a handful of dollars. The crucial step is to set aside whatever you can. Picture this: every time a few extra bucks find their way into your wallet, resist the temptation to spend them frivolously. Instead, channel those funds straight into your savings and investment accounts. It's like planting seeds that grow into a financial garden over time. The key to success is consistency. When you invest those tiny amounts on a regular basis, the compound interest effect takes hold and builds wealth accumulation into a snowball effect. This strategy is about developing the habit of investing any spare money you have in ways that have the potential to grow and compound, rather than about making significant sacrifices or devoting enormous sums of money. The secret is to let compounding interest and time do the heavy lifting for you. Set a weekly savings target of $50 to $100. This may seem like a big undertaking at first, but the path to financial stability is made up of very little steps. It's really not that hard to get started. In fact, especially if you're having trouble making ends meet, it's a good idea to start small so you can learn the basics of investing and form the habit of saving regularly without risking a big sum of money. It becomes essential to develop an inventive mindset and take advantage of every opportunity until you get to the point where setting aside $50 or $100 on a daily basis becomes second nature. If you're struggling to make ends meet, you must make every effort to reach a savings level where you can allocate $50 or $100 per week. Make it your top priority to save this each and every week, no matter what. This will establish a saving habit, shift your mindset from spending every dime to finding ways to cut back, and you'll start seeing the rewards of your commitment in the form of a growing nest egg. Ask yourself, how can I begin investing even if I don't have much money right now? Take a look at your spending habits and identify things you're spending money on that aren't really necessary, or even better, things you wouldn't miss if they were gone. Often, what you think is a reasonable and justified purchase might be the opposite from an outside perspective. Review your daily or monthly spending and pinpoint things you can cut back on to fund your future investment portfolio. Whether it's giving up non-essential purchases, canceling subscriptions you hardly use, or finding cheaper alternatives, there are usually areas where you can redirect money to build up your investments. It's about making smart moves, even if they're small, and starting your investment journey, regardless of how much money you currently have to spare. It's a widely recognized truth that almost everyone, at some point in their daily routine, spends time on activities that add little to no value to their lives. Whether it's binge-watching TV shows, scrolling endlessly through social media, or casually enjoying adult beverages, these seemingly innocent pastimes can, over time, lead to a decrease in the quality of life. To make things worse, we often underestimate the combined impact of these seemingly harmless habits, only realizing at the end of the week that precious hours have slipped away, all consumed by a single activity. Never mind the fact that those time-consuming activities are probably draining the life out of you. Picture this. A week where the hours spent mindlessly flipping through channels, swiping through Instagram, or indulging in a few drinks add up to more hours than you'd like to admit. Now, picture if you could recapture just a bit of that time and use it for something that not only adds value, but could potentially change your life. Substitute one or two of these time-consuming habits, and suddenly you have the perfect chance to invest time in something useful. What if, instead of being constantly on the screen, you spent a small amount of time starting a side hustle or trying to learn a new skill? You don't need to dedicate endless hours to a side hustle. Just allocate a part of what would otherwise be entirely wasted time to something productive. Developing a side hustle doesn't have to consume all your waking moments. Just a bit of time here and there is sufficient. You might even discover that you enjoy it. These wise decisions not only have the potential to boost your personal growth and satisfaction, but also open the door to a higher income. Break away from the cycle of underestimated time drains and seize the opportunity to utilize your time for something you'll appreciate in the near future. In 3 to 6 months, you can establish an entirely new income stream. Even if it doesn't seem like a significant change, choosing to save and invest just $50 to $100 per week can bring about a complete turnaround in your life. The sooner and more consistently you adopt this approach, and the sooner you stop procrastinating, the faster you can enjoy the rewards. Take a moment to ponder the time slipping away, time that could be fueling your financial freedom. The time you spend randomly on social media won't return, but if you redirect even a small part of it wisely, your chances of success increase. Following these tips will guide you toward becoming the first millionaire in your family. Thank you for following along thus far. Share in the comments your thoughts on these efforts and the actions you intend to pursue on being a millionaire. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. Here's to financial freedom.